She did it again. Hi guys, this is Lishavata and welcome to my channel. So yes, I certainly think I have a big problem. I placed yet another order on Zara and again it's going to be a huge Zara haul. I again spent near about 50,000 on their new summer collection. So let me show you the boxes. Okay. Good that I've been weightlifting because I've gotten a lot of items in today's haul. So as you guys know by now, I love shopping online and I was looking to get some new clothes for the summer, and as you can see I've also lost a bit of weight, so I was very excited. And unlike the Zara winter collection, which I did find to be just a bit underwhelming, the Zara summer collection is fabulous. It's bright, colorful. They have all sorts of tops, dresses, different silhouettes. I just loved their summer collection, and no wonder I ended up purchasing so much. So you guys already know what's coming your way. I'm going to do a complete try on Zara haul of the latest summer collection. So let's get started. So first up we have this beautiful white top. So it's made of cotton and it has these long sleeves. I really like the sleeves because they're cinched at the wrist. Also it's like an off shoulder plus a strappy top. So you can wear it like an off shoulder, but if you want the support you have the straps as well, which are adjustable. It also has this floral embroidery going through the top and I love the buttons. Overall the design is super pretty and it's quite feminine as well, and you can pair it in many ways. You can pair it with a high waist trousers, a floral skirt, or like a nice flowing tutu skirt. I love those as well for summers and I really like this one. So the price of this is rupees 2500, which is definitely expensive, but it's Zara, so kya hi keh sakte hain, you have to expect Zara to be expensive, so I can't really complain. And I think the next time I place an order on Zara, it has to be during a sale because I'm honestly spending way too much there. Next we have this beautiful green dress. I love such dresses for summers. It's nice, flowy, and it has these ruffles. It has ruffled sleeves as well, and just look at the color. The color is super pretty and it's very summery, very easy on the eyes. And the fabric is also quite nice. It's a very free flowing dress, so you'll feel very comfortable even in the humid and sweaty weather. And it has this buttoned back which looks nice. So I got this in the size small and I like cinching it up with a tan belt, and I also love pairing it with tan flats or tan heels. It looks really nice and it's one of my favorite purchases from the haul. So this cost rupees 2000, which I think is a decent enough price for Zara. Then we have this printed summer dress. So it has an elasticated waist along with ruffled hem. I like the sleeves as well along with the buttoned up front, but I would say the length of this dress is a bit shorter than what I generally wear, but I overall really like the fit. However, what I don't like is the material. So this is 100% polyester, which is just not comfortable to wear, especially in summers. But for shoots and all, I think it works well, but I would not wear this outside, so it's not a very practical purchase to have. So yeah, that's about it for the dress, and this cost rupees 3000, which is definitely a bit much. Next we have this beautiful poplin crop top. So I actually wore this for an event and it looked so good on me. I will be putting pictures of it on the screen. So it has this really nice sweetheart neckline along with puffy sleeves, and look at the back. I absolutely love the back. I don't know if you can make out the design, but it's very pretty. Also, I prefer wearing it like an off-shoulder top, and this fit me so well. Now, the problem with off-shoulder tops is usually that you're always adjusting them, but this fit me so well that I was comfortable throughout the event. This is one of my favorite purchases from the haul. I feel like I kind of would say that for everything because I really did like a lot of stuff. Coming back to the fit, I got the size small and I really wish they had more colors in this. I would love to get this in a yellow and a red. You will see me rocking this pretty often because I really like it. Next we have this long midi dress from Zara. Now I had super high expectations from this dress. In fact, this was the dress I had finalized for the event that I was just speaking about, but it did not fit me well. So I don't know if that's because I'm petite, wait a second. I'm not petite because I'm not skinny, but yeah, I don't know. It's probably because of my shorter frame. But this detailing of the waist, it just sat right on my tummy and it looked so odd. It made me look very short and fat as well. I don't know, I just looked wider with the detailing on the tummy. However, on the model, it looked so nice. So I'm guessing it's probably because of my height. So maybe if you're tall, you could check this out because the design is quite nice. I love the color. But on me, it just doesn't look that great. I do quite like the fabric and the design of this dress. I just wish it looked better on me. I did get this in the size small. I don't know, it did not fit me well. I do wish it did though, but yeah, not for me. Then we have this beautiful pastel blue trousers. It has this geometric design, and I think I did a fabulous job in getting my sizes this time. So if you remember in my previous haul, I ended up purchasing a lot of clothing which did not fit me, and since I did miss out on the return window, I couldn't even return them. But this time, I think your girl definitely did a better job. Most of the items fit me well. So I got this in the size medium. So this is not the perfect fit for me. I'm still, in between sizes. My lower body is a very odd shape, I would say. So this fits me from the hips because I have like a huge ass, but a tinier waist. Like in comparison, I don't have a tiny waist, but in comparison, I do. So this fits me well from the hips and the thighs, but on the waist, it's a bit loose. So I'm just gonna get this altered, and also the length was pretty long, so I couldn't really wear it to show it to you guys. But yeah, I will get this altered and I'll wear it on Instagram soon. So make sure you follow me there. And of course, if you're enjoying watching this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such hauls. Now let's move on to the next item. Now this time I also got a couple of flats from Zara. I really like Zara's collection of flats and heels, and I got this beaded pair. As you can see, it's super feminine, super pretty. I love it. Now the only issue I have with this is I find it a bit heavy, compared to my other flats. But then again, when have I ever put, more emphasis on comfort than style? It looks super stylish. I'm going to be rocking this a lot this summers, and I'm really happy with this purchase. Oh, and by the way, in case you're wondering, I got it in a size 36. A lot of people get shocked when they hear my foot size. But yeah, I have tiny feet, but guess what? My sister has even tinier feet than I do. I think she's a size 3. I'm a size 4. So yeah. Then we have this high waist midi skirt. So this is way out of my comfort zone. This is not really my sense of style, but I just saw it on the model and felt like purchasing it. In fact, I don't know why this reminds me of Komal Pandey. So it has a knot in the front and it is a high waist along with the zip on the backside. It has a super long slit right in the middle, so you have to be careful when you're walking in this. You have to walk slowly, otherwise your undies are gonna peek through. I still haven't made my mind about this skirt because it's so out of my comfort zone. Maybe I'm not sure if this looks nice on my body. So comment down below and tell me, what do you think of this skirt? Do you think this looks nice? Should I try more items like this? Or should I just return this? I don't know. I mean, I've already removed the tag, so anyway, I can't return it. But I don't know. It's so different. Then we have another crop top. I really like it. It has a floral print going through it, and I love the color. Super summery, and it just puts me in a very happy mood. But I don't know what's up with Zara tops. I noticed this with the other tops as well. The necklines are a bit deep and I'm not very comfortable wearing them outside. Like, I love wearing them for shoots. I'm pretty okay with it. But I don't know, I'm not very comfortable going out in such deeper necklines. So I'll have to get the straps shortened. But overall, this looks quite nice and it's a very comfortable fit. I did get this in 2 sizes. I got it in a small and a medium. And in the small size, I look like I have a uni boob. My boobs get smushed, so it's not a very good size. So I prefer the medium size, but then again, it's slightly loose from the waist, but I think that's okay. I can get that altered and I really like it. I like the buttons as well on the front. Next, we have another midi skirt. It has a floral print and it is high-waisted. It also has a slit in the middle of it along with this detailing of the buttons. I've never been a huge fan of midi skirts, but I feel like my style is evolving this year at least. I got it in the size small and it fits me perfectly on the waist, perfectly on the hips. It's just made for me, okay? But then the material is polyester, and even though I'm not a fan of the fabric, but I think it looks great and it's perfect for summers, and I can also style it in several ways, so I'm definitely keeping this. Then I also got this beautiful white jumpsuit. It has cutwork embroidery and I'm a sucker for this, but I absolutely miscalculated the size. Now I mostly buy a size small, but when I see the fit to be a tight fit on the model, then I prefer, going a size up and getting the medium because that fits me more comfortably. So on the model, it looked pretty fitted. So I thought, medium would be a better fit for me. But then no, it is humongous. I definitely need a size small in this. It has this wide leg style. I love it. Just look at it and look at these shoulder straps. Isn't this so boho, so chic, and just perfect for the season? Just imagine this with a tan or a brown belt and with flats. Oh my god. And if you carry like a straw bag with you, oh, it would look so nice and summery. I'm definitely getting this in a size small soon. I love it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Next, we have this tie-dye crop top. Now, I love the design of this top. It has ruffles in the front, ruffles at the back. It has this V-neck along with this lace trim detailing along with the buttons. The top does have a slight low neckline, but I don't mind it as much. But one thing you need to keep in mind is if you are large-chested or big-chested, the buttons are going to pull a bit and that's going to show your cleavage. I don't really mind it. I think it looks kind of sexy. It doesn't look vulgar, but then if you're wearing a bra inside, the bra is going to show. So you're going to have to figure that out in case you're interested in purchasing it. Again, this is one of my favorite purchases from the haul. Then I also got this pair of tan flats with these huge pearls on them. If you can't tell by now, I'm a sucker for anything which is feminine or has pearls on it. I think it looks very nice. This was a bit expensive. I think this cost me rupees 3,000, which is a bit much. Again, I do find it to be quite heavy, just like the other pair. Not very comfortable, but super chic, super pretty. So what do you gotta do? I really like the way it looks, and I've seen this on quite a number of people. I don't think this is a new design. This is probably part of the older collection, and I just wish these flats were on sale, because whenever there's a sale on Zara, I never get my size, because my size gets sold out the quickest. So eventually I have to buy them at full price, which definitely hurts my pocket quite a bit, especially because comfort nahi hai. If these were more comfortable and more lightweight, I would probably feel a little less guilty, but these are quite heavy. So for you, if comfort is very important, then definitely skip it. Next, we have this beautiful linen dress from Zara. So I love the design of it. It does have a lower neckline, like I was mentioning. Has embroidery going on the hemline as well as the neckline. Love the fabric as well. It's a mix of linen and cotton, so pretty comfortable. But overall, I really like the dress. It's so easy breezy and summery. Also, I think it's a very nice dress for like a date. I mean, in case you are lucky enough to be going out on dates. I'm stuck at home, and now with the rising number of cases, earlier I had actually become very comfortable in going out, and I felt I wasn't taking enough precautions. And obviously उसकी वजह से इतने ज़्यादा cases भी बढ़ गए, just like me other people were behaving in a similar manner, I guess. So now I'm just staying indoors. But yeah, if you're going out and you get to have dates, and I think this is a very nice outfit to wear. It's casual yet pretty. So yeah, I love twirling in it, and I think it looks great on me. Then we have this gorgeous top that I'm wearing. So it has a knot on the front along with an elasticated neckline and ruffles going through it. It has ruffles at the back as well. So the good thing about this top is you can wear it in several ways. One way you can wear it like a normal top, or you could turn it into an off shoulder, and as you can see, it looks super nice. It is a crop top, so I like wearing it with high waist trousers. Super comfortable to wear, looks quite chic, and I love the color as well. I did get this in the size medium because I could see the bust area was pretty tiny, so I definitely recommend going a size up if you plan on purchasing this. So with that, I wrap up my huge Zara summer haul. If you would like me to do a haul of other brands like H&M or maybe Ajio, Myntra, then please do comment below, and I would love to do that for you. And of course, if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you guys the next time. Bye!